I think on the positive, we're still discovering a lot of new plants, 2,000 new plant species a year on average, and we're finding new plants for food, for fuel, for drugs. On the negative, we're seeing a huge change in land cover type, mainly driven by agricultural activity, a little bit of climate change in there as well.
Achievement. I've been working with a great team that have been putting all this together, as Kathy said, partner organisations as well. For me, coming at this from a slightly different angle, I'm not a sort of born and bred botanist.
And also the plantlist, TPL. And by looking at the material that's been coming in, looking at the numbers, we've got so immediately the economic impact of these is substantial. And finally, this is a bacterial infection. There are very, very few areas currently that are recognised for the important plants that they contain. Most of our conservation areas are important bird areas, for example, and we really do need to change that round, given how fundamental plants are to human well-being.
The way that I would like to write myself out of a job is by actually describing all of the plant species on the planet. But yes, if the biomes, the forests change so much, then all I'll be doing is describing species from herbarium specimens and the plants no longer exist in the wild.
I think one of the real issues with botany is that it's sort of gone out of favour. I've often described it as a Cinderella of biology, that it's always the one that's sort of the afterthought when people choose it at school. And that's partly the way that we teach in schools. We teach botany. It's very rarely taught as this is a really important discipline because plants underpin all of our aspects of our human well-being, from climate regulation through to food and fibre and fuels.